What if I told you that 87% of everything you pack for travel is completely unnecessary? Today, I'll reveal insider hacks professional travelers use to fit everything into one bag, including an airline trick flight attendants use themselves. Watch closely as an entire wardrobe disappears into a single carry-on. These packing methods will change how you travel forever. Forget bulky suitcases and lost luggage. It's time to travel smarter, lighter, and freer. Stay with me. The best hacks. Some that even airlines don't want you to know. Imagine losing $2,000 worth of luggage on a single trip. It happened to a traveler just like you. Left stranded, frustrated, and out thousands of dollars. Each year, airlines mishandle 25 million bags worldwide. But the real problem isn't just lost luggage. It's the mindset behind how we pack. We fall into the just-in-case trap, stuffing bags with things we never use. That fear of missing out leads to overpacking and unnecessary stress. Today, you'll learn how to break free from that cycle. I'm about to share 20 packing hacks that will change everything, saving you time, money, and headaches. Stick around for a transformation you won't believe. And trust me, the most controversial hack is worth waiting for. Hack number 1. Choose a bag no larger than 22 inches. This size fits almost every airline's carry-on limit, so you won't get hit with surprise baggage fees. It's the perfect balance between enough space and easy maneuverability, keeping your travel smooth from check-in to arrival. Hack number 2. Use a bag with built-in compression. Bags that expand and contract give you up to 40% more space when you need it without making your luggage bulky. This means you can pack more essentials tightly and still fit under the airline's size restrictions. Hack number 3. Pay attention to weight distribution. Pack heavier items close to the wheels or base of your bag. This makes it easier to roll and carry, reduces strain on your shoulders, and keeps your bag stable while moving. How you pack affects not just space, but comfort and control throughout your trip. But here's the catch. Most travelers pick the wrong bag or ignore these simple hacks and end up paying an extra $500 or more every year. Don't be one of them. Hack number 4. Follow the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. Pack 5 tops, for bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes, 2 jackets, and 1 versatile dress or suit. This exact formula keeps your wardrobe compact but flexible, so you always have what you need without extra bulk. If you're finding these hacks helpful so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps others discover these travel secrets. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the upcoming hacks that will change the way you travel forever. Let's keep going. Hack 5. Choose fabrics wisely. Materials like merino wool and synthetic blends pack up to 60% smaller than cotton, resist wrinkles, and dry quickly. They're lightweight and perfect for travel, saving you valuable space. Hack 6. Master layering. With just one base outfit, you can create 5 different looks by adding or removing layers. This strategy stretches your wardrobe and adapts to changing weather without adding more items. Hack 7. Learn the hotel sink wash hack. Bring travel-size detergent and use the hotel sink to quickly clean essentials. This lets you pack fewer clothes, stay fresh, and avoid overpacking. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. Hack 8. The Ranger Roll. This military-inspired technique lets you roll clothes tightly to save up to 50% more space than traditional folding. Each item is compact and wrinkle-resistant, making your bag more efficient and organized. Hack 9. Compression cubes aren't just simple organizers. When used correctly, they squeeze out excess air and compress your clothes tightly, maximizing space far beyond what you'd expect. This system keeps your belongings neat and accessible without wasting room. Hack 10. Use your shoes as storage containers. Stuff socks, chargers, or small accessories inside to fill every inch of unused space. This not only saves room but also helps maintain your shoe's shape during travel. Hack 11. Electronics Tetris is all about cord organization. Bundle cables with small ties or silicone bands, and arrange them carefully to avoid tangles. This hack saves you hours of frustration and keeps your tech ready to use at a moment's notice. Hack 12. The liquid loophole. By transferring toiletries into TSA-approved clear containers and using airtight bags, you can bring just what you need while passing through security smoothly. This simple trick avoids spills and speeds up checkpoint screening. The next hack is technically against airline rules, but many seasoned travelers swear by it. Stay tuned. Hack 13. The jacket pocket strategy. Wear your bulkiest jacket or coat through security and on the plane to carry extra weight without adding to your bag's limit. It's a simple way to avoid fees while keeping essentials close. Hack 14. The duty-free loophole. After passing security, purchase duty-free items to fill your bag or carry extra goods without them counting against your baggage allowance. This tactic takes advantage of how airlines treat duty-free purchases separately. Hack 15. Know your personal item. Many travelers underestimate what counts as a personal item. A large backpack, tote, or briefcase can fit under the seat and carry more than you think, giving you extra packing space without extra fees. Hack 16. Checkpoint redistribution. Shift weight from your checked or carry-on bag onto your person or personal item at the security checkpoint. It's legal and sneaky, making sure no single piece exceeds airline weight limits. Hack 17. The upgrade psychology. Traveling light improves your chances of free upgrades or priority boarding. Airlines favor passengers who can move quickly and fit in overhead bins easily. Light packing can get you perks beyond just saving baggage fees. These last 3 hacks will change how you think about travel forever. Stay with me. Hack 18. The climate adaptation system. Pack smart by choosing versatile clothing that works for any weather. Layering lightweight pieces that keep you comfortable from hot days to chilly nights. This way, one bag covers every season without extra bulk. Hack 19. The business travel formula. Select wrinkle-resistant, professional attire that packs small and looks sharp. Use packing techniques that keep suits and shirts crease-free, so you arrive ready for meetings without hauling a second suitcase. Hack 20. The long-term travel secret. Living out of one bag for months means mastering laundry routines, versatile wardrobes, and minimalist essentials. This approach frees you from constant packing and unpacking, letting you focus on your journey, not your luggage. These professional-level hacks take packing to the next stage. Effortless, efficient, and tailored for serious travelers. Now, imagine the difference between a typical overpacked suitcase and a perfectly optimized one-bag setup. Less bulk, less weight, more freedom. By packing smart, you could save over $500 every year on baggage fees alone. Plus, think about the time. More than 4 hours saved on every trip spent avoiding baggage check lines and waiting at carousels. Start applying these hacks today and transform how you experience every journey. If these travel hacks opened your eyes, please hit like to show your support. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that can save you time and money on your next trip. And share this video with your friends who could use smarter packing strategies. It might just change their travel game too. Travel lighter, travel smarter, and let's make every journey better together.